Welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to create infinite logo on Carousel in Wix Studio. So creating an infinite logo carousel in Wix Studio is a fantastic way to showcase your brand partners or clients. So in this video, I'm going to give you a step-to-step guide on how to get started. So the first step to do is to sign up for Wix. So if you don't already have an account, sign up on the Wix website. And after that, select the templates that suit your needs. So Wix offer a variety of templates that you can customize to fit your brand. And after that, once that is done, go to the Wix editor, then click on the Add Apps on the left side and search for Wix Pro Gallery. Then click Add for Site to integrate the gallery into your website. Then in the Wix Pro Gallery settings, create a new gallery and select the carousel layout. Customize the settings to enable infinite scrolling. Then after that, upload the logo you want to display in the carousel. Then also you can add caption and links to each logo if desired. Then after that, use the Wix editor to customize the appearance of your carousel and adjust the size, the space, the animation settings to match your brand. Then after that, once you're happy with your carousel, then publish your website and start showcasing your logos.